Yeah, that we expect that slipping. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it. Stop.
Okay. And it goes back down.
You still have power, that's why it's staying up.
No, last time it only fell down when we had like the heavy. Is that gonna work?
I don't know, I would raise it up. Well, we should put a weight on this.
Oh,
Raise
yeah.
it. Here you go. Here's the chest. Okay, I don't know. It's moving.
The sandwich, we should have the...
Wait.
Oh, sorry.
You just have to get off the ground.
It's lifting. It's lifting. See the bell on it? It's lifting.
Okay, that's good.
Let the thing down.
So now you're on it. You're attached to it.
Yes.
You gotta go down.
Power cuts.
No, you gotta go down to lift
Pull yourself up.
Yeah. When you're down
Power's
here.
on. You get all the way down here.
When power
Pull
cuts,
this
it's gonna
thing
want
down.
to lower, right? So this would go back up.
Yeah, but we only have to go off the floor. We don't have to go.
Yeah,
12
but to
inches.
give this clearance, we have to.
Well, it's
there
not
any-
perfect. This is.
Whenever you're
Now
ready.
when we're up to speed.
Can you hit?
Get it on. Get it on.
Whenever you're ready.
Stop.
That's what I don't want to happen. I didn't like
So if it
that.
doesn't make it all the way up, it'll go into this section, try to feed
So let's
it.
try it
Okay.
first because we added this thing.
Yeah, it'll still do the same.
Oh no, it's all adults, so I gotta shift her.
Oh, there it is. Cool.
Let's do that.
Because it's
Okay, we're gonna go to that way.
Yep. Put on this side.
And go back.
Put on this side.
And go left.
No,
Good here.
you went for
Okay,
artist.
we're gonna spin, looking from the top down, clockwise.
Clockwise.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then count.
Yep.
And I wanna hit the shift button.
So quiet.
500 RPM.
Go in the correct direction.
And then up there. Yeah, let's
maybe
drink.
put my burger.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Who are your picks for match 36? We'll find out. What match 28 is underway. It's gonna be great. Bulldog Bites lined up at the red hub. Inactive right now, but their teammates seem to be doing more on top of this, courtesy of the 1-5 lead. Match 28 is underway. It's gonna be great. Bulldog Bites lined up at the red hub. Inactive right now, but their teammates seem to be doing more on